Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is your first time seeing my video. Please don't forget to click that red button to get notified that I upload new video. And I also thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. May God bless you all. In my today video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my egg roll. In here I have my purpose flour. Here is my nutmeg, my egg, baking flour and salt, my milk, my sugar and my yeast. Let's get started, guys. First, I'm going to add my nutmeg. My yeast to it, my baking powder and my salt. Here is my sugar. I'm going to mix them together. Stay with me, guys. Look at it, already been mixed. I'm going to create a hole. In here I add my egg. I'm going to mix it together. Look at it. I'm going to add my milk. You can use water to mix it or milk. In my egg roll, I use milk to mix it. Stay with me, guys. Look at my dough. I'm already done mixing it. I'm going to cover it now about 15 to 20 minutes before I will start frying it. Please, guys, stay with me and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, guys, help me to share this video, comment and like. Thank you all. I'm going to cover it now. Look at my egg roll. Very beautiful. I'm going to leave them until it turns to brown. I like my egg roll when they turn to brown. Look at it. Very yummy, you guys. My egg roll is ready. My egg roll is ready. Look at it, very beautiful. Look at this side. Look at it. Very beautiful. Guys, come and try me. Please, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me to click that red button to get notified anytime I upload new video. Thanks everyone. See you guys in my next video. Bye.